With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello dear students. So the question is, how many liters of ammonia? How many liters of ammonia gas will be formed, will be produced when 1 liter of nitrogen combines with 3 liters of nitrogen at given temperature and pressure? So this question can be solved on the basis of limiting reagent topic. We know that limiting reagent is a reactant which is completely consumed in the reaction. The reactant which is totally consumed during the reaction is called as limiting reagent, and limiting reagent decide the product. So the main condition to solve this question based on limiting reagent, the chemical equation, and the chemical equation must be balanced. So we have to write here first of all the chemical equation between nitrogen and hydrogen. N2 gas reacts with H2 gas to form ammonia gas. We have to balance this equation. 1 mole of N2 reacts with 3 moles of H2 to give 2 moles of ammonia. This is balanced equation. N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. Now there are two things. One is given data and another is from equation. So from equation we have the values according to given data. Whatever given, and according to that we have to write from equation. From equation says what? And given. In the question, volume of N2 and H2 gases are given. So in question, 1 liter of nitrogen. Volume of nitrogen is given 1 liter. Volume of hydrogen is given 3 liters. 3 liter. And volume of ammonia is asked. This is asked. Okay. So in question, volume of reactants is given. So from equation we have to write here volume of reactants. Equation says that 1 mole of N2 reacts with 3 moles of H2. And we know that from Avogadro law, the volume of 1 mole of any gas at STP is 22.4 liter. Volume of any gas at STP is 22.4 liter. So 1 mole N2 means 22.4 liter. This value is obtained from equation. And 3 moles of H2 means volume of H2 is 3 moles. Volume of H2 is 3 into 22.4 liter. And how many ammonia is obtained? Ammonia is obtained 2 into 22.4 liter. 2 moles of ammonia are obtained means 2 into 22.4 liter ammonia is obtained. Now we have to calculate limiting reagent. Limiting reagent either N2 or H2. Equation says that 22.4 liter N2 reacts with 3 times of 22.4 liter, means 1 volume of N2 react with 3 volume of H2. So if we take 1 liter of N2, then how many liters of hydrogen will be consumed? 3 liters. And 3 liter hydrogen is given. So hydrogen consumed totally. Hydrogen will be consumed totally. Therefore limiting reagent is hydrogen. Further, from equation it is clear that 22.4 liter nitrogen reacts with 3 times of 22.4 liter. मतलब 22.4 liter, this means that 22.4 liter nitrogen requires 3 times hydrogen. Therefore 1 liter hydrogen will require 3 times of hydrogen. So 1 liter hydrogen will react with 3 liter of hydrogen. Hence, limiting reagent is hydrogen. Lr. Lr means limiting reagent. Limiting reagent. We can also write here, since 22.4 liter N2 requires how many liter H2? 3 into 22.4 liter H2. Therefore, given value of nitrogen is 1 liter. Hence, 1 liter of N2 will require how many liters of H2 is equal to 3 into 22.4 3 into 22.4. So 3 into 22.4 upon 22.4 liter, and this will comes 3 liter H2, and provided H2 is only 3 liter, required H2 3 liter, given H2 3 liter, this means hydrogen will be consumed completely. Therefore, limiting reagent is hydrogen. Now, the yield of product depends upon limiting reagent. So, now we have to calculate the yield of ammonia. Further, unitary method from equation. This is clear that since 3 into 22.4 liter H2 gives NH3 equal to 2 into 22.4 liter. Hence, given value of hydrogen is 3 liter. 3 liter of H2 will give NH3 equal to 2 into 22.4 upon 3 into 22.4 into 3 liter. So 22.4, 3 cancel. Answer is 2 liter. 2 liter. This is the final answer. So 2 liter ammonia will be obtained in this reaction. 2 liter of ammonia will be obtained in this reaction. So this is the final answer of this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.